Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and to select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In today's video, I am participating in the Home Sign DIY Challenge, and this is being hosted by Sonja of Domestic Diva DIY. And she has asked anyone that wanted to participate to create a sign that has the word home in it. You can make it or upcycle something. In the video that's coming or the pictures that's coming up, I upcycled a sign that is sitting on the top of this clock. This is my granddaughter's playroom, and this sign was given to me about 2 years ago by my sister. I liked what the sign said, but I wasn't too particular about the picture. Here's a close-up of it. You really can't see the words. It says let's stay home, and this is the perfect time and what we're going through that I thought this would fit. So if you'd like to see what I've done with this sign to revamp it, then just keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.